Good morning, children. Okay, so what did you learn in the last class? About the forest, yes or not? So many types of the trees we have seen in last classes, yes or not? Means so many types of the trees name we have learned. Some plants are small, some plants are like a creepers, climbers, yes or not? So today we are going to one more lesson, that is roots support the plant. Do you have seen that roots of the plants, children? What is that? Roots. Roots means ಏನು? Roots ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಬೇರು. ಏನಂತೀರಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ? ಬೇರುಗಳು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಗಿಡದ ಅಡಿಗೆ, ನಾವು ಗಿಡನ ಕಿತ್ತಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅದರ ಅಡಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇರುಗಳು ಸಿಕ್ಕತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ what we have to do when we dig the mud and we will pick the plant, means we will get the roots, isn't it or not? For example, see here, children, this is the plant. Okay, this plant, here we can see, have you observed this? What is that? These are all the things. Okay, this is called roots. Okay, so if we take out the plant from the soil, then we will get like this roots. Okay, after that what we have seen, these are all called stem and this is called leaf. What is that? This is the leaves, yes or not? This is called stem and this part it is called roots. So today we are going to learn about the, what is that? Today we are going to learn about the roots support the plant. For example, plant, it should grow highly, yes or not? For example, some plants, it is like a creepers or climbers, it need a support, or it depends the tallest tree or the biggest tree, or what do you call that? Okay, so some plants, it is having means through the soil and through the stem, it is growing through the soil or the water. Means we are not, for example, forest, whatever it is growing, only water as well as the mud or the soil that only manure, through the manure it is growing, children. But in our home, what we have to do, some manure we are putting to the plants to grow neatly, isn't it? For example, rose plants or dahlia or marigold or chrysanthemum, so many flowers are there, like hibiscus, yes or not? So for that, what we have to do, daily we have to put the water, then manure we have to put, yes or not? Then only it will grow neatly and flowers will come, isn't it? But some other plants, no need to put anything, children. Only, for example, this is a money plant. Okay, so money plant, only I have kept it in water. Okay, one glass water I have kept it, so it will grow itself, children. What is that? It is absorbing, only roots as well as the stem is absorbing the water. Okay, then leaves it will grow. Here in this money plant we cannot see the flowers. Okay, only leaves we can see. Leaf, what do you call this? Leaves. Okay, so this leaves we can see that. Okay, all these parts, it may be flower or it may be leaf, what it will take? Water. Okay, so in the soil, water it will absorb. Okay, if you will put the water, then what happen? It will absorb the water. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಗಳು ನೀರನ್ನು ಹೀರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಹೀರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗೇನೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಔಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು ದ ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಲೀಫ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದ plants. Okay, for example, this is the plant. Okay, here what we call this part, it is called, it's a root part, and this is called leaf. Okay, then in between means ಆ ದಂಟು ಅಂತ ಏನು ಕರಿತೀರಲ್ವಾ ನೀವು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಕರೀತಾರೆ? Stem. Then flower. Okay, afterwards some plants it will gives you fruit, some tree it will gives you fruit. Okay, whenever soil or the manure or the water, it will take out through the roots. Okay, so then this roots it will grow like this. For example, if you are taking the green gram or horse gram, ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಾರ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೆಸರು ಕಾಳು ಅಥವಾ ಹುರುಳಿಕಾಳು ಅಥವಾ ಆರ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಮಸ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಕಸೂರಿ ಮೇಥಿ ಮೆಂತ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ okay. Then coriander. So these are all the seeds. If we will put it in the soil, then daily we have to sprinkle the water off. Okay. Another 2 days, not even a 2 days, even a 1 single days, you will have the what do you call that? It will be germinating. Yes or not? What is that? If you are putting here a seeds, okay. If you are putting here a seeds, so whatever the seeds, okay. Then here you are putting the water as well as the, what do you call this? This is called, okay, seeds. This is the soil. Then you are putting a water, children, okay, in the jug. Then what will happen in the jug? Jug it is full of water, yes or not? Then this water, it will comes to like this, okay. It is come to like this. Then another day or day after tomorrow, like that, okay. Or else after 2 days it will take like germinating, children, like this it is germinating. After that again it will grow like this. Then some leaves are growing, understood, children? So like this it is growing, understood? So we have to put in mud, then it will grow off. Sometimes what will happen for our ಹೋಮ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮೊಳಕೆ ಕಾಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ, ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಹೆಸರು ಕಾಳು ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಹುರುಳಿ ಕಾಳು, isn't it? ಹಾರ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅನದರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೆಂತ್ಯ, ಮಸ್ಟರ್ಡ್. ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸೋಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಒನ್ ಯುಟೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ಸ್, ಓಕೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಪಾತ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು ನೆನೆಸಿ ಇಡೋದು. ದೆನ್ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ನೆನೆಸಿಟ್ರೆ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಅನ್ನೋತ್ತಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಆ ನೀರನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದು ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. ತೆಗೆದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಬಟ್ಟೆನಲ್ಲಿ ಸುತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಓಕೆ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕೀಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಒನ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್, ಓಕೆ. ದೆನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ದಿ, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್, ಜರ್ಮಿನೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೀಡ್ಸ್. ಆ ಸೀಡ್ಸು ಮೊಳಕೆ ಒಡೆದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಮೊಳಕೆ ಕಾಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ತಿಂತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಹೌದಾ ಅಲ್ವೋ? ಸ್ಪ್ರೌಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನು. ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ? ಸ್ಪ್ರೌಟ್ಸ್. ದಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಈಟಿಂಗ್, isn't it? But some plants we cannot. So that so many plants, for example, it may be lemon or it may be what do you call that? Even coriander kuda. Coriander only leaf we are using, isn't it or not, children? And some other, for example, this is called potato. What is this? Potato. Here, after so many days, this potato, it will be germinating itself, isn't it or not? Means we are keeping in this soil. Then after that, after 1 week or 15 days, yes, we will take 15 days. After 15 days, what will happen? Like this plant is come out. Understood? ಈ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಔಟ್, ಓಕೆ. When we will keep in the mud, then it will grow itself. But here there is no plant, yes or not? Here this is a stem part we are eating also, isn't it or not? For example, ginger and potato, even sugar cane. So this stem we are eating, isn't it? Afterwards, if we will keep it in the mud, then we will pour the water daily. Then what will happen? That plant is growing. This plant will come out, okay. After that it will grow again deeply, and it will comes through the mud again. It will andre spread ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬಳ್ಳಿಗಳ ಥರ. Then again in the mud itself it is growing. But here this stem part is absorbing the water. But here what it is, children? So I am showing you just a difference, okay. Here root is absorbing the water, but in this potato stem is absorbing the water, okay, children. But almost trees or the plant we can see the lots of plant we can see the roots, children, okay. But only the radish, turnip and ginger and potato, sweet potato, these are all we will have the what is that, stem as well as the roots. Some roots part we are eating, isn't it or not? Ginger and the potato also we are eating. Then what is that? Sweet potato we are eating. Carrot we are eating, yes or not? Carrot, then radish, okay. Carrot and the radish and the sweet potato, these three we are operating as a root. Okay, for example, this is a root, isn't it or not, children? Up we can see only what you can see up.